sorry. Oh yeah, me baby, don't you worry. Now my phone, let me just hold it up. Monica, Monica, tonight I will take you out. Pay now, pay. Can't let me see you put your bills on me. I will pay everything. Monica, 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 Monica,
so me come with friends and we link up, we meet up, we drink up and booze up. I love the life I live with my guys. What is life when you don't live life? Location sent to the chat groups. I drop books, I pick books, then I'll be there, we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow. I'll be there, we happy. We living it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Let go of the sorrow. You know life now YOLO. So I'm chilling with a few guys on our lane, and we're doing what feels right. With a dancing girl selling at the poolside all night, all night. Bruce up on this one, me say you have to dance. DSL link this I want your big damn. But energy call now when I respond.
Wake up in the tightest thing by my side. Wake up in the tightest thing by my side. Pull up in a Benzo, yeah we got right. So me come with friend and we link up. We meet up, we drink up and booze up. I love the life I live with my guys. What is life when you don't live right? Location sent to the chat groups. I drop books, I pick books, then I'll be there, we happy.
That's right, so we do for Friday morning, 33 minutes after 10, folks. I hope you are doing good. Right, so super morning right about now, folks. My name is Jenny, me champion Boatin. Call me Kobina Kosti. I'm granted for the perfect gentleman. And yes indeed, so I'm here once again to make sure everything entertainment is what I bring to you right here on 93.3 FM, folks. So it's a Friday morning, of course. My name, as usual, call me Kobina Kosti. Big shout out to the production team. Mama Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, man like Kobe K, and Mr. Billy Yatinashe. Ever some from now to 12 p.m. That's right. So, and now Friday, you know. I told him said they be ashamed when it comes to Fridays, right?
Walk like this, smile like this.
So this is what we do on Fridays. Yeah, my one right, so I'm on your radio. Tell a friend, Kobina Kosti is seated. And of course, it happens to be your very first day tuning into this particular show. This is what I do. I am the host of Mid Morning. I come through Monday to Fridays, and I make sure whatever I say or whatever I do here entertains you to the max, okay? That's right. Right, so music of DSL and La Russo, they cause this one happy. Beautiful Ghanaian music here on 93.3 FM. Right, so today I would want to interact with you guys. What do you say? Yeah, so let's get interactive on Facebook. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. And then maybe we start question. Hopefully, and then maybe your phone lines. Yeah, we are Jay. Hopefully today we're gonna open phone lines. And a question maybe we start and then so we just want to find out if you are single and happy, if you are taken and happy, or you are married and happy. Which one of the happiness are you? Which one are you in a relationship? Are you happy? And are you are single and happy? And are you are still happy? Did you hear the question, Shabu? Shabu, so okay, so you see your bottom free. So obviously, I will start from this side. Are you taken and happy, single and happy, or married and happy? Which of the happiness do you belong to? Alright, so send me a first on 0594841044. 0594841044. Send me a first. I want to read your first this morning here on the show. And of course, it's a Friday, so most definitely good music and our daily dose of motivation certainly will also come in your way. And better baby, you motivational message free Fridays. Yeah. You better motivate you from Monday to Thursdays, and the Friday shows will be more like fun and entertainment, enjoyment. I mean, we can't stress ourselves. You get it? Yeah. We can't be serious all the time. Sometimes you just need to, push away some stress and make sure everything goes on perfectly. So that is why I'm here. This is the mid-morning. My name is Kobina Costa. Join me live on Facebook at Ahenkan 93.3 FM. You can also send me a text on 0594-841-044 I want to know where you are and where you are listening me from as well. Just send me a text. Let me read on air. And again, our question for today: are you single and happy? Are you taken and happy? Or you are married and happy? Which of the happiness do you belong to? Share with us. Share with us. A text will do, and also Facebook comment as well will do. So this is what we're doing today, okay? This is what we are doing today. I just want to know if you are single, or you are married, or you are taken. Kobe, let me start from you, but Nasi. Sabo, also you're ready. You see, you bought them, you bought free fee. Until you bought them free fee, and so you see about it. Alright, so this is what we do on Fridays. We make sure whatever we do, whatever we say, again entertains you to the max. That's right. So we're coming through from the studios of Equiafra Kuma, and of course, my 7-man producers are ever ready to entertain you. Charlie, Aquaba. Chavo, what's it mean? Aquaba. Aba, why are you smiling like that? What is this? What's your name? What's it? Okay, so this is what we are doing today on the show. Yeah. We are asking 3 questions, and we have said, I mean, the listeners should also, get involved. What do I say? So, are you single and happy, taken and happy, or married and happy? Shabo, let me start from you. No. Oh, okay. It's Kobe.
Shabo.
Are you single and happy, taken and happy, or married and happy?
Taken and happy.
Taken and happy. Yeah. That's why. My guy, are you taken and happy, single and happy, or married and happy? Now what's this?
Mr.
No, it's a question. That's the way Busa de Bia.
No, like all the menu, like
share. My friend answer the question. Shall we answer the question? Shall we you? No, Charlie, we listen. It's you.
All the menu.
It's you. Kobe answer it. Kobe can they?
Missing, I'm taking and happy.
That's right. Yeah. Okay, it's you, Shabu. Why it's you also?
So far, yeah.
Hey,
Shabu, it's me. I'm sorry. It's you for the more TV. This one, it is not me. Yeah, right. Pepacho, I also want to hear from you guys out there. Send me a text on 0594-841-044. You may be a phone line, and I want to talk to you guys. Yeah, you know, come say about motivational message in free. What I say here now on Fridays only on Fridays. Jina Manato 0554820910. Your number will be free. But I'm fresh is here. 0554820910. This is the number you call. Just let us know. It's a Friday. I mean, come on, let's have fun on radio. So this is the number you're going to call and let us know either you are single and happy, taken and happy, or married and happy.
So I'm chilling with the few guys.
What are you saying? Oh, I'm Busa today. Oh, but me, everyone knows I'm married and happy. And I am not married. I'm not married. Yeah. I'm not married. But I'm single and happy. Yeah. Oh my days. Alright, so be happy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Sometimes Anyway, I'm with the pan. I mean, no one knows tomorrow. And they are not tonight. We will be free as usual. Right, so a big shout going out to Mr. Oben, Mr. David, Mr. Chumesi, Fosty of KNL Fashion. Hey, there you go. Fosty, Sanfos, right? Sanfos Ventures. And KNL Fashion, good morning. I said, if you're in back up, Salub the Gambia, good morning. Come on, Berryman Quine, Plasma Detailer, good morning. Nanaya, good morning. Bra Michael, HDA Junction, Mahana, good morning. Come on, Exclusive Beauty Salon, Parties Golden Seasons. I said, that Beauty Salon, good morning. Genesi Fashion, Jaji Akameni Junction, good morning, Yayi. Charities Fashion Akameni, DJ Lion Akameni Junction, Ishmael, his graceful Jamaica, good morning, my brother. Emmanuel Amauga, always, good morning. And dependable Beauty Salon, CAC Newtown, good morning. Quality Fashion, good morning and come on. Oh, Liberty, Entrance Wire, Mama Vida, Jubilee Bridge, and so good morning and come on. Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Nanajwa, Madam Vera, Government Hospital, good morning.
Two girls in the night, oh gosh.
And also to other taxi drivers. Brad David, Pasco.
Eye contact, just eye contact.
This year, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Obatampa, Jonathan, Brakwami Okasie, Piero, Baruso Boy, Banchin, Richmond, Tilapia, Kwekubonash. Good morning to you all. Right, so this is what we're going to do here on 93.3 FM. We're just having fun on radio. We're just having fun on radio. That's right. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Anna, and you're listening to Kwabana Cost.
Everybody to the let's go. I see you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Can we do it together? You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Energy. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Hey, let's go. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Let's go. Can we talk to you? Listen, bro, why you they worry? What be your story? You don't give him. I said God go do one. Listen, why you they worry? What be your story? Hey, you don't for the birds and the fish in the sea, Baba God, he they come through. He they come through. Make you no stress, you go there alright. Don't give up, big day inside. Oh yeah, move to the dance floor, shake your body and do your best move. See, make you no stress about what you go wear, Baba God, he go sort you. He go sort you. Even for the birds and the fish in the sea, Baba God, he they come through. He they come through. You go there alright. Don't give up, big day inside. Oh yeah, move to the dance floor, shake your body and do your best move.
Everybody now, hey, you don't feel that vibe. Everybody now, 1 2 1 2, hey, you don't feel that vibe. Woo! You don't feel that vibe. Energy. That's right. So music of the Banfra. As they call this one, you don't feel the vibe. And of course, I hope you all feeling the vibe here on 93.3 FM. JJ. Alright, so let me check out some reactions on the question we just asked. Are you single and happy? Are you taken and happy? Or you are married and happy? Alright, so let me check out some reactions here on 93.3 FM. Hey, man like officers, Charlie, you're going to save the date very soon. And automatically that means he's taken and happy. That's right. Hey, baba. Everybody now. Hey, you don't feel that vibe. And the Fiabim says, and Costi is playing my favorite Into the Future. That's right. Hey, energy. Woo. Hey, I'm seeing some messages here. And this one here, Charlie, you go break heart to Bismarck Ejekum, coming as a member of Fachimo Dan Quanta says, good morning, bro. I'm single and happy.
You don't get him.
Charlie, make us read again, oh. Make us read again, okay. Okay, so this is a message from Bismarck Ejekum, incoming assembly member of Odan Quanta. One year, 12 months there, but he says, if I am interested in his message. But me, I know say he go in. For that one, they go in. But my interest there in messages are, he says, I'm single and happy. Should I still repeat? Should I repeat it, Uncle? Uncle, repeat it. Okay. I want us to pick some few calls. What do you think? Yeah. Wait to me, your friend. 0554820910. Let us know if you are single and happy, taken and happy, or you are married and happy. Yeah, tell us. My home. Wawari weniaje. Ochempona weniaje. Ana come na monko obi ani bebia but still na you are feeling the vibe weniaje. Okay? 0554820910. 0554820910. 0554820910. Wait to me, a friend out for one who say you are single and you are happy, you are taking happy, you are married and happy. Send it most of us we be there inside. If you like some of us we there the three all inside. Me like this. I don't know where are they. I don't know. Say I am single and happy. I am taking and happy. Or I'm married and happy. Be like I did the three inside. Oh.
What is your story?
Hey, I said go do everybody now. You don't feel their vibe. Okay, so hello, good morning, Frost Workers of Frame. About your which be a friend 0554820910. Somebody say me who in tell. I will bet me still bet my check out. 0554820910. MTN 0554820910. And a Vodafone 0201 is the Vodafone working? 0201944485. 0201944485. Hey, Vodafone MTN 0554820910. 0554820910.
Make you no stress, you go there alright. Don't give up, big day inside. Oh yeah, move to the dance floor, shake your body and do your best move. See, make Make you no stress about what you go wear. Baba God, he go sort you. He go sort you. Even for the birds and the fish in the sea, Baba God, he dey come through. He dey come through. You go there alright. Alright. Don't give up. Think there inside. Inside. Oh, you move to the dance floor, shake your body and do your best move. Do your best move. Ready? You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Let's go, hey. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. Just say, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. Can we dance? Give them. Just say. Are you ready? Go perform for me.
Go for me, one message for pound.
Hey, let's go.
Seven new mic now. We say me chat na me na ho eja. We was my can way. Onya pop. Was me dinner.
Hey, like to the left side.
One leg to the everybody down. One leg to the
right side.
hey. One leg to the.
Listen,
One leg.
shoulder.
Hey. I'm the shoulder. I'm the shoulder. I'm the shoulder.
On the shoulder, on the shoulder. Are you ready? Listen. One leg to the left side. Hey. One leg to the right side. Hey. One leg to the. Everybody go down low. Go down low.
All right, so we heading straight
Hey. Everybody now go down low.
to our daily dose of motivations.
Down low. Yes, sir. Let me see you.
Of course, so we're heading straight to our daily dose of motivations here on 93.3 of and of course, Color Studios and Digital Broadway are there on my idea and crown share as my Debrano Pebia every morning here on the show. Right, so our daily dose of motivations. Color Studios are there on my idea and Pebia. For all your wedding photographies, birthday photographies, studio photographies, picture framing, and passport pictures, Nina. I'll be to my Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, Faye. What can I sort out? Watch more than Liberty Transport, Opsid Kidnap Pharmacy. Patch away to my friend on 0245-27663 Color Studios and Digital Broadway on the page with many needing commercials here after the tomb. Now on board now you're quite and crash ourselves. So take time like the river that never stops. Keep going and steady, no hurry, no rush. Take time like the river that never grows tired. Keep going and steady. No hurry, no rush. Alright, so this is our daily dose of motivations and pay and crash assembly. Now I'm breaking it down. It's just simple as ABCD. There's no rush in this life, baby. And prepare your home, abrabo imukra. Brabo yam prepare hu ayo boko yanti trumika yam prepare hu yanko ya gidi bia ni problem brain bia debi so I also nya botre on se na you tene a river sena river tie on se konya balasia no hu se di mika pan ego ana meboa wa dware insuo da bia no amenu behu da meche no eni no bia hu se konya badasie no sa na tie empepre no ho kra sa na so ye wa brabo man obi into pressure man ga sa de na nko a wo chesa ye djuma no wase aja se ye djuma no wase ma ase no fast speed but soro ne de ma ye hu ne se nya ene na hu hia enti ye djuma wa underground aja se So this is our daily dose of motivations this morning and crash ceremony. Man prepare home and because we are to dream Canada, we are preparing on area. Don't follow the usual trend. Alright, so yesterday was your birthday now. Picture tan be na ko gwa sana mami. Hey, Kwaku. Odie, odi so mo ade chese. Brofo na wa tro so kra anye mede. Kwaku Ebenezer. NDC for then organizer order. The brofo bazaar. Alright, you got quick commercial break here, bro. Okay, you're back. You better energy in this war 93.3 FM. In fact, it's Friday. Charlie, Friday beyond this is what we do. You must see.
So Famuko na yaru be de muntum gra. Yesu bebrebe. Ya besi mu yi ana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, ava one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare go for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ban koko yare ade a edura ohia ne ava one herbal capsules. Ebu edwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira ava one herbal mixture study. Malaria sro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi. Omodoso nyana o drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nyama penfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive a. We dura ne ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dudu etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenye biso ato Amwafo drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene measure peking crime FDA aje ejwedi nkratu yatu.
I swear. Nyamia nim ni krani se bread dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, mitrima me do. Me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend CBN. Esan say, bia o kope as what fie. Bia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa mo do. And into krani Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Se wo di birthday party. Oh worry. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. O car park kesie. O baby green grass and kwada diagro kama na ne punu eya kono bi international standard udwali ni na kona safa filter mu punu so udwali a unse yes udwali ni pensio akona nkasa Preferland Hotel o wa dan ya udwo bebre asa udwo ni bra onya busan benya baby ada na so no kanjimansko no problem ebonu sie ku enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel enyum tietia so abri bia eninti achemu dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross form hye ho Preferland Hotel bamamo nani masem de bia wo kwase de bia eye pool party esanso e mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Preferland Hotel ewa chimanso wudu ani akyere achum dan kwa no so na Presby school na chipe 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302. Preferland Hotel, Fresisia, Neabama.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move bia your toe in row. At to 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Hi,
Ya frame foreman, medjuma sweni, enti obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma shamisa, mesha se usika enko waste. Enti me tomenyo menyi na free jump trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa chain. Enti sa wupe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, champ trading enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ijaji and a Dinshanim, from 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
All correct, sir. I take a woman. Medro delay man capsules ya wunu ye die. Boy ye. Ahode na wanya ne sano. Wo delay adwuma no so papa. Na wo che. Na wo ye ni ye pa. Delay man capsules. I don't know. Ama me sisi ni me ko todwemu ayen. I can see. Na local mixture ene the capsules a. E man ne marima nyina num bie no. Me num bie no me do. Wo ho me say. Me hu say wa hi fie ho ayefe neat pa. Enti na wo ko share wa wo delay sa. Local mixture and in the capsules means so a feature chromo yaw biem mura se wo be delay kra no means no be man na wo baby a wo be hu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho ba bia no fa local mixture esia no yare bi te se gonorrhea white syphilis and the keka ho no wo bia woni ntime nyi da entima local mixture and in the capsules e meyi firi ho e wo heba and pharmacies nyina mu dodo afre 0242 133 577 and 0202 675 778. Local mixture and in the capsules. And what's that there? In kind.
Cascades on it.
Yo, gang, make I tell you what the party day. Saturday, 10th June 2023. The party's office, Rise Under Power, presents a Bunting Music Festival. Prom night with the evergreen dancehall artist, Ras Kuku.
Well, you don't know Ras Kuku, need to get to the president, RK, original, the man himself, you don't know me. There, I think what I for Musideng, Akimoda, Abuaburu, no Susu, Yebese, on the 3rd June. So I said, Rascal could be my baby scene. Minimum in a baby party. I want him for Rise Under Pop. So on the 3rd June, it's all about Rascal inside Akim. Madame Bume reloaded. So as I say, bless up.
Yes, and you're free. No get trivia, but for table reservation, free 0240 539433. Joe, Branian Poppy, Branian Gianni, all night.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti.
The Mid-Morning Show, Have a blessed day.
More music.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get low key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine for me slowly. I love when I see now you wake me leave. I be get the boy, I be seen her. Yeah, nobody on the Jehovah. And then the Lord that they go far. Who's the boy, but that they bar. That's how they believe. Bandana lori kujitupa Nina kashika. They never see me coming. call the popo. Me winning lotto. Say me I don't know. Me yana, me yani don't know. Call the popo. Me winning lotto. Say me I don't know. Me yana, me yani don't know. Baby you be miracle. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be wonderful. You give me loving way I never know. My baby you be miracle. You give me loving way I never know. Baby you be wonderful. You give me loving way I never know. Oh my God, girl your love is spiritual. Oh my God, oh girl your love baby.
trendybeats.com.
Dance for me, baby, just jubilate for me. Make with the copulate, just cooperate for me. See this loving way I got for you. I never fit to show you fake, oh baby, yours for real. Avawum, no. Avawum, yeah. Yeah, chilo. Baby, when I tell you say I love you, believe me. Avawum, no. Avawum, yeah. Yeah, chilo. Baby, when I tell you say I love you, believe me. My baby, since you came into my life, you make your blessings just multiply from my side. See this loving way I got for you. I never fit to show you fake, oh baby, yours for real. Prove me wrong. I could be wrong, but girl, with you I belong. Avawum, no. Avawum, yeah, chilo. Baby, when I tell you say I love you, believe me. Avawum, no. Avawum, yeah, chilo. Baby, when I tell you say I love you, believe me. Girl, I wanna show you love. Girl, I wanna give you love. Girl, I wanna show you love. Yeah. 'Cause she dey conquer me totally. Girl, I wanna show you love. Girl, I wanna give you love. Girl, I wanna show you love. See the loving way I got for you. I never been to show you fake, oh baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl. No, tell me no. Baby, gon' give me your lo. You got me like whoa. Shawty gon' give me your lo. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my divine situation, I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. When you gonna phone for one? When you know I phone for one? Then I start to feel like bum one. But she dey give me small one. I know, say she's a bit pass it down one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends could they come and light ring go on. Baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl. No, tell me no. Baby, come give me your lo. Shawty, come give me your lo. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane.
body like a panda. The way she move it make a panda. Break it down, make it wiggle like a panda. I want to know what you make me in the corner. Bouncy, 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 baby, bouncy, 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 baby, bouncy, bouncy, champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day be my birthday. Baby, we did it. Finally, I see your face. Ooh, oh my days. I've been out here looking for you for days. Ooh, ooh, I just want to say, my head, you there for my head. I know fit to reset, I know fit to connect within the.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Host. What?
If I play defense, I won't comport myself, I can't. I fall for you down flat. I fall for you down flat, yo. No, you bad. I swear you bad. I swear you bad. Don't calculate my money, make I know how much I could spend. Cause I know they pretend. Make nobody talk to me. Cause I like my baby not the best. Hey, Tumba, last time I see you for sure, baby. Girl, I'm on board, ready me to go. Hey, Tumba, last time I see you for sure, baby. Girl, I'm on board,
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Host.
Oh my baby, your love is for it. Give me loving, no good on you. You see your body carry something. I never.
Right, so apparently, Charlie, nowadays Tuesday happen, trust me. Tuesday happen for this Ghana. What do you want to say? Can you just imagine this? Who will crop the commode open? Who will be taught that's me? I come to Sabo, commode open. No be taught that's me. Like how? What the quiet day with you? Yes, what do you be a broswa? What do you be a broswa? I mean, this is Ghana, Charlie. This is Ghana. But most definitely, we still here 93.3 of making sure so when you bet let's talk more music. As I said earlier, when it's Friday, we make sure whatever we say, whatever we do here, entertain you to the max, and you know you feel good at your workplace. What I say, yeah, that's right. Now, je n'ai pas phobie. And channel mo bo funi adia. Me dwen wa me ti ase. So shabo enen 3 days ye busa guy we autumn perfumes. And ye hu online and you sending the test. And I'm a guy the busa answer boss ye hu say what in fact what display some of your perfumes online. Na ne boy is saying. And I got said 1,500. And madam from Zaz, I did go for gallon one. I can't block him, madam. For no. I say perfume no back 1,500. And madam for say ah ade egu for galo mana. O kasana wa blocking no. Ana oh but I think 1,500 the perfume. I know, but me I never go buy 1,500 perfume like that. So come on. Abia. Okay, tell my friend here and can was herself. Yeah. No, but on the road, your friend here and can was herself. No, true, but Shabu, listen. Me, I know say somebody there, I go buy 1,500 perfume with the bag. Say off, it no be nothing give am. But me as a day, I never. I mean my perfume I use it be 55 cedis. And this is the Ghana for. I don't cry me no but seven salmon. Na say bakubia ban so show gra bochu for the dibido. I know 78 hours. With gu ho who's ampai gu ho pa. I know come on here 7 cd 8 cds 8 cds 50 pesos bi benya. Masa. Then here say hu anya hia mana. Masa. But abochu spray see so. Yeah. What's our sounds? Hey, what's what, Hannah?
This guy be power. Some force any money. Gonna be trim coy. Of Kako, you, this spring, or quiet. As I would say, where about you for the where India for India for spring. India for the my days. Alright, so we're still on 93.3 of it's only 21 minutes after 11. I will check out some reactions on the Mama Cinema personal SMS and also studio SMS as well. We're going to check it and read online. Okay, Patrick, the question we asking this morning, as my said and say, are you single and happy? Are you taken and happy? Or you are married and happy? And I'm going to say some of us, the three of the day inside. Yeah. Me, I don't know where are they. Me, baby, I'm sure. Say, I am taken, I am single. But I'm not married. I am not. And it is all about no catch was my worry there. Not just that time. Me, I am not interested in your vibe. But I do that almost all the time. And then call them Matimito. Matimito. So if you're a lady and I feel you are married, it means I am not interested in your vibe. I'll just tell you, challenge me, my worry. This started somewhere last year. Yeah, last year. First, I didn't know where to put this ring on. So it was here, all the time it was here. And so a drum mark. Oh, yeah, a drum mark. So I don't know, say you could be sure, but I was in black. So when the conversation was going on, she wanted to find out. And I'm saying, I'm not married. No, but there's a mark here. And some of my dream boss will say, and I'm saying, oh, yeah, Murphy. Murphy is my wallet. I'm afraid of my guy. I'm afraid of my car. Yeah. Zero, yeah, they are. Go find us. Alrighty. Kenrati papa bi enya one door no me di enya one door no one door they say one door car that could match us. It is not one door. It's one door. Oh, Andra he fear na chi hono. There's a woman there called Esejia. So you know, Esejia. If I'm Esejia. Or he finished Honoma 24/7. She's tuned into Ahenkan FM 24/7. Ose. Yes. Outside of I say, make kind of home. Ose. Oh, okay. And the mammy, no, okay. Mr. Nancy, make kind of that. I me fool. Okay, you know, my body didn't find a message. I know I'm not the body didn't share me. Yes, minimum dear, but Pokua. Okay, Baba Kubon didn't share me. Find a message, or Hona or one so Hona. Now me coming from one, me faho. Yeah, because the me fool outside though. Me can't show. Oh, me young Kruma. Are they your time with the young Kruma? Your time with the young Kruma. Crowd go. Midian Kruma, Midian Moko, Midian Toast, Midia Mia Brufu, and my dear bro. Madame Pat of say, Madame Pat the Diablo. Davina Mudia. Davacho, Ache. A moment time that you me have in me, dear brother. But a fool, you. Yes, though, how so you fool. And I would use it. Anyways, what do you say? And Friday, right? Watch now, Saturday, okay? Watch now. Party na who did dinner? Watch now happening? Yeah. That's right. Okay, so I want music festival. Rise Under the Party's office presents Poem Night with Ras Kuku. Nyami Adama Ochina happening live. Rise Under Pop. It's no Brana and G and Indian say Diana, Chase Bibi and Kokosu come upon. Now, since success, I will buy again. I want no girls, boys, now, but no baby at Snake Philippandia. You need a cable. Only so intimate now on Mosaka again. Yes, I know fine. Only baby girl, if you know that was not what's it. We did the free sale. What I say? It's my shop for table reservation. One for rice. It was 0240539433. 0240539433. Nah, you reserve table and for now. Nah, Kotsnashi, that jewelry. What I say? Koboli, Kofili. Nah, say I did so near day. And now, you're sure. The Sunday, you have come for life. That's right, so Brickland Hotel. Now I chim abo. Now Brickland, ABI for a bit pure grass. About hotel, pie, but they feel it. You better stretchy and then move. You better use a pie at that hotel. So, what if the hotel bed be 1 mile? Sorry, I said they uncover 2 goose or bone. Now, whenever you know, I'm sure called Brickland Hotel. Now, could that open so do baby or Quanda home? Oh, yeah, your folk will be a refreshment, a Quanda home. And as a reception, a kind of home. In fact, program ya be a percent of down on Brickland Hotel. You were well ventilated rooms as well, spacious and secured car park, restaurant and bar. And every Sunday be a much special so air cost quality music from DJ Shabo. That's right. So wait to get in come on 0551 187-926 and 0540740302. Brickland Hotel, quality home away from home. Now, young baby, now young drinks. That's it. You could be into soft drinks, near alcoholic beverages, near the Michelle. Yeah, call Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures, wholesale and retails of club and Guinness products. Oh, that's it. It's open to Guinness club products. Nina, called Don Cool Ventures. So, yes, also distributors at the Macasa Preco. Products BTC Alombo, K20, Black Rock, tonic wine, and dry gin near the Michelle Shoba, Don Cool Ventures. Now, I'll be paying to Shannon was saying, your products Nina are sold at lowest wholesale prices. Your location LYS Sunny Plaza, Sunny Star Plaza, Sunny Star Plaza, old EPL ohona and abehuye for sure obetini di enkomo was 0554 486990 0554486990 na 0556252668 yawo achimodana Jubilee Hospital kwan so old EPL ohona abehu Sunny Star Plaza unye dru na abehu se Don Cool's Ventures yawo ho enti se open alcoholic beverages bia me patchobra open non-alcoholic so na waburu mu ni ade nkola be ko school ni ade ni na oba Don Cool Ventures obenye bia praprechi kama pa na yanko yeti and you looking sexy, you looking hey there's this I don't know if choppable but you say you somebody party someone once told me I look choppable. So yeah, call Nelly share cards. I watch him and said if you want to look choppable, meaning say you suma man as a member there. Someone said that to me some time ago. So I look choppable. But sure, Nelly share cards. I watch him and said it was so UT. Now we look sexy, we look handsome, we look choppable. We watch your call Nelly's haircut. I know pay every cat open me nego ma. Oh your bad. We try go ma. Oh your bema so corner. Your mouth shave. Come upon you're trimming some party be a win here. You are body and to one home. Your mouth hairline come on and yet to say if you're one hairline, AJ hairline, the common chroma with any oh, call baby, a bit of man, come upon I'll find so over so die with the color be oba Nelly's haircut at Chimasania, a be preaching neat at the moment. You watch him as any Ewisa, I'm a buyer, Ben Kwamo, your Assemblies of God, street this open. And now over to many Copenhagen with Dinkom over so breathy now on by your Mounswa. Freno, it was 0542 524 856 0542 524 Nelly's haircut, your perfect touch. Also, I'm kind of saying. Nelly's haircut, now just say. Also, see you. Now, one as a review. Okay. It's Nelly's haircut. Over to Over to okay, it's the young corner, young compare dance here, who know Magna. Baby, I'll be taught dance here, who know ma. Baby, I will be feeling some part, my taught dance here, who know mamma, my suma dreamy. Manco Toyan with any be bets, my cobby, I'm young as I may feel. Say, Matriasica, but Matriasica for quality, maybe not Matriasica for inferior goods, please. So let me recommend to you the best place you can get all quality and proper building materials, and that is Jam Trading Enterprise. Jam Trading Enterprise. I watch some of them here. You are coming Johnson. Yene Jajin di Sheni Mopachon. You're the marine boat, Saba. You're the marine boat, no papa. You're the band super marine boat, the army patrol bra. Yeah. Jam Trading Enterprise. Ofe open corner moldings, wall angles, open fiber, plaster balls, POP, iron rolls, Nadwa Hoduania Dina. Oba Yaswaya me patrol, Obenya be Atho. You are coming in Johnson of the Kankan, but it's near the income 0208 123 872 0208 123 872 0244 566 880 0244 566 880. Now, Chaya Tubu. That's it. Nakoya Friday. Nah, baby say. And Nakoya Friday, girls, baby. They will go and sleep and come on Sunday. I know. Yeah. Girls, baby. And I repeat. Girls, baby. Ever call and then you may number of Sunday. But let me give you the idea back over to my boy. I mean, Okwa or Honcho Nadia. The patch all coin there. We are matching him, don't worry. More over coin than we Sunday. The patch all Menko Yedjani Bukabian Famano. The Brenna per rice. This is for Mutunia, the patch more rice, Papa. Michelle, Mona, what the year Jollof, I will some power, Gianni. What the year rice and stew, I will some power, the Mutua, some power. Michelle called a year from Pond Enterprise. Yeah, called from Pond Enterprise, Jumeria, or what Chim or down Mandarina Hotel down Honoma, Nacope, a more bag, Nacope, Angwa, Cope, Tito Mantos, Cope, biscuits, those are what catching out your Gianni. In fact, that's what be preparation. And the biscuits are not toffee open next to a young product in so I'll call from Pond Enterprise. I mean, make sure we can don't go and mess up there. Go and cook jollof, Ghana jollof. Go and make him feel. In fact, I say, I know Bell also tell me I'm a patch of provisions. Nina, Koto Ewaye from Pond Enterprise, from Pond Enterprise and Kwan, and affordable and quality goods in terms of provisions. Spine day to be and canon. Spine day to be and can be a product to be from Pond Enterprise. Be a crojan. Our face will be a provision store, open maybe a Tunyoma Coton and Faswa from Pond Enterprise. The only place I can beat Manchester and recommend to you from Pond Enterprise. So, how never boy, patch of open Faswadia from Pond Enterprise. On Pen Faswadia now feature. Others say, the patch of frame was 0244 897525 0244 897525 0206 473953 0242 111236 from Pond Enterprise. Your brother fans with the Papa Che. With the Papa Chankasa. Okay, so 93.3 of 5 is still here. So there's this dance, Terminator. Kim Promises song, Terminator. But me won't pan and come in my sapan and can you people you? I mu Janija movie. Me like I know dancer. You people go run, you go run. Okay, so let's turn up the place, okay? Yeah, man, in your party. Let's see if we go vibe. But I'll still read your messages, okay? I will still check up the reactions. Don't worry. I have a couple of messages here. Make kind enough, and again, I still want to know if you are happy. You are single and happy. You are thinking and happy, or you are married and happy. Which of the happiness do you belong to? I just want to know. As I said, I don't know which school of thought I belongs to. Yeah, I actually don't know. But I'm still there inside. Yeah, I mean, let me check if I'm single. Okay, let me check if I'm dating. Let me see. Okay, let me check. No, I am not married, so that one I won't check. So the two school of thoughts are they inside? Oh, you get. Alright, so let's enjoy this song from King Promise. And it calls this one Terminator. That's right. So that brings us to Zalo 40. But it's after 11. It's still tuning 93.3 F. And of course, my name, in case you just tuned in, call me Kobina Costi. I'm Brandon for the perfect gentleman. That's right.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kobina Costi.
And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want me, I'm okay. I'm okay. Cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? I did love my life, get my peace of mind, did I try survive? We all be sinners, my body, nobody holy past. And my happiness comes first, I never come left to stress, yeah. I be like Terminator, I did deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator, I did deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator, I did deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator, I did deliver, I pass it doctor. I only care for money. I never care for perfect. As long as I'm happy. See me, I know for sure they know me. Young boy, but I know G. 6 years, no be small thing. And since I entered the game, fatality. The troubled days, sleepless nights, things I see inside life. And the kite, I lead the things I see. Don't really live to impress nobody. They doubt my thing, them forget. So when you can't get me, oh no. Like say you the only pass. I didn't love my life, got my peace of mind, did I try survive? We all be sinners, my body, nobody only bad. And my happiness comes first.
I woke up in the morning, I feel blessed. I know they play with my happiness. I know go ever let my worries make me stress. Nothing go play with my happiness. Yeah, now what you say sometimes. Like tomorrow, no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we can do. So free your mind, dance tonight. Let the music take control. For tonight we must push it for you. Yeah, that's why I say. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show, have a blessed. The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yeah, that's right. So music of Young Release and Mr. Easy, and of course this one Happy. And of course, as I said earlier, we make sure whatever we do, whatever we say, every song we play here, but entertain you to the max. This is what we're doing. This is the reason why we get paid each and every month. That's right. So I hope you all happy. I hope you are enjoying your day. Yeah, I mean, we can't do just rest. This is what we can do just to make you happy. And of course, trust me, I am happy myself here in the studio. Myself, my team, DJ Shabu Kobe K, and all of us, we happy right over now here on 93.3 of and I still want to read your messages. It is exactly 43 minutes after 11. For me, are you single and happy? Are you faking and happy? Are you married and happy? And I don't know, but everyone wants to know. But I think this one I've said already. I don't know which of the school I belongs to, but everyone certainly want to know if I'm happy. He says I should choose one. Charlie, me are there inside. I'm single and I'm happy. I'm taking and I'm happy. I'm not married, so I can't. For that one, I don't know. But But see, so there's this English when I was in school. Both of the two of them. Yeah. So me tell both of the two of them are there inside. Both of the two of them. But I know he's married, so he's married, but I can't say if he's happy. That one there. I know he's married, but I can't say if he is happy. Okay. Me, I want to enjoy. Me, I want to happy. Me, I want to enjoy life. Everybody does. Hey. So there are some of the messages I won't read. Me anymore. Me share message enquire mankind. It's okay, Archie. It says, Governor, you are causing confusion. Are you sure you are not dating? My guy, is that your problem? Me say, "Fa the bra." Are you here to ask me question? Me, I am me. It is me. I have the platform, and I am asking you questions. You want to ask me? So question me. If you ask me, I won't answer. You want? That's right. It's a 4 to 5 minutes. In fact, I love radio. I don't know. Any day, anytime. So let me. I think. I don't know, but I don't know. If not for radio, what? Like I go do what? I'm in Grand Hoje. Is it? Aba.
Showbiz night.
I don't know, but I'm new. Right, when you're ready, if you come at Tongo Bay. No, come at Tongo Bay. Oh, there you like I go sell Bay. No. There be when you're ready and come at Tongo Bay. I don't like it. I don't gra. But this thing, say like I don't do radio, what I go do? I don't know. Me since I was young, my interest be radio. No, see, okay, so it wasn't radio like radio. I'd always wanted to be a journalist, yeah. But I never thought of, having so much interest in like radio like this, you get. But anyway, we did. It's in Kenya radio certainly will be TV. But ninya this space. Okay, so let me think outside the box. Maybe like I will do.
So, but they don't know.
What's it, okay? No, the guy is not correct. Yes, hey. No, Shabo is not correct. Hey, Mr. Anane Watson, Obano Nadria say. Shabo say when you're ready and come here, BONO. Zero. No, but I'm not But me say, man, you're ready and come here, farmer. Make you any. So that's how we will forward to ya. Yeah, it's in Anka, me bro, me banche. Anya banche taxi driver. But me banche, me in toast kakra, jene kakra, body kakra. Nah, then. Me boy. But the most serious note, me man radio. Like I'll be a fashion designer. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh Minjayo. Minjayo. Just listen. Just oh, let me. I call not some makulata. Now strategy now. There be shabu. Strategy now with the power colata. Again, no one met in a pump. But it's still the same thing now. Yes, my pumpkin to difference only a day.
Difference over.
Measurement no. And one of the pumpkin, and then some over. I know. But still now, may. Yeah, still now, may. Just that these days I don't have time. Hey, Uncle 1 year new. Hey, me a drop. Me pump shirt me no me ansabia. Na say me pink shirt is say me an pam there. And now me black one now microphones now there he has it. Thanks me an pam me nti no so. Eno so. Shawo man. There be me kopon me hu sisi. Me be say me sua ma de kan. Slate snake I man on titru. So me be me shop me pom me na be me shop. Someone like we mama ho. I try more sa kofon. No. Me uni help sa we see me store. Me don't turn me palm away from me store. But I like you get it. We move. Hello Salo ba baby. Oh baby. O can tell baby say we be me shop na baby ni obusu any Lizzie Abigail and one grab mo kai mo body ni be and Selena yeah Selena o say
Selena ya
and parts be yes and parts because I can't pass the parties goodie there be on the crowd come me born ma why? First time. Yes. And one pool. There be. Okay, say mama ikini mo. Embe omonte. All right, Charlie, hit me again. A young release, Mr. Easy, because it's unhappy. Charlie, it's just a Friday. I mean, it's a freestyle day. Let's do this. Let's be happy. That's right.
I know they play with my happiness. I no go ever let my worries make me stress. Nothing go play with my happiness. Yeah, now what you say sometimes I put it like tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we can do. So free your mind, dance tonight. Let the music take control. For tonight we must push it for you. Yeah, that's why I say. Yeah, I want to try, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. To be happy, happiness is all I need. Me, I want to try it, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy, happiness is all I need.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Ahenkan, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes. Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Ahenkan, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes.
With the energy, I just want to make my money, and I just wanna be happy. Let me this the work body, I might get the gun body. Nothing man you never see. For tonight we must jolly. Now I say sometimes I go to jail like tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we get to. So free your mind, make we vibe. Oh your baby make it know. Say tonight we got to shake body. That's why I say Zagadat. Me I want to try, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy, happiness is all I need. Me I want to try, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy, happiness.
is all I need. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me, I want to die, me, I want to party, me, I want to have some fun. Me, I want to be
ZackNation.net.
Initiating rage process.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. 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 I'm sorry for who won't be my matter. Sorry, I'm only human. So pick nobody para. Say I carry woman. She na man way I go carry. Fuck all you. I don't say when I talk say I be pastor. If you know you think I want. If it's not I got talk. Call over the coco.
GH.com.
Nicki Minaj, come give me love, give me your body. Butter my bread, she got my tea, give me your cocoa. Ain't nobody touching you, when they try it, they touching you. Everybody crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you.
I know carry another, you know say I be complete, man, yeah. Now you are matter, it for my mind, inside, yeah. I'm the water, baby, give me something nice, yeah. Carry a matter, girl, I love your body, darling.
Look at my big baby, the woman so nice and her skin so big. She got my love like a sweet sister. Over and over, she can do my thing. She's so in love with me, it's a blessing that I found out me. And she doesn't care if I'm poor or rich. I give her my love to eternity. Oh no no no, can I promise I will be there for you? Oh no no no.
She get the money. She get the money. If you get the money, oh yeah, spend the money. Make you spend the money. She get the money. She get the money. If you get money, make you spend the money.
Only motor casu face I want. I know fit for some if it don't pass my power. I roll up a shawarma, I default Kwakwalata. I enter from a puta go Kwakwalata. Only motor casu face I want. I know fit fast, I don't fit do fast my power. I roll up.
The Holy Empire. Nautica.
More music on trendybeats.com.
And that's right, so most definitely this is where